Welcome to ACSE 2026. I'm Aria, your virtual host for this year's conference.
On behalf of the Asian Council of Science Editors, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to the 12th ACSE Annual Conference. It is wonderful to have our ACSE community together again. Whether you have been part of ACSE for many years, or this is your first ACSE event, we are very happy to have you with us today.
Good morning, everybody, and good afternoon, depending on where you are. To Dikran, who joined from Boston, where it is 3 a.m. in the morning, I don't know what to say, but I hope you will enjoy the opening words as well. Today, we hear a great deal about artificial intelligence, new tools, new business models, new possibilities, and of course, new risks. We are aware of a lot of them, I would say. But I would like to take a step back and talk about something even more fundamental: trust.
The bigger question of what must change next. What is it that we're looking at that we will need to mold to make things better and have meaningful reform happen?
can I do in my own part of this system to make it a little easier for someone else to trust it? If each of us can answer that question honestly, perhaps that is where rebuilding trust really begins. So thank you to everyone who has made these last 2 days possible, our speakers, our panelists, our moderators, our presenters and sponsors, the ACSE team, but most importantly to the audience, all of you who have contributed your time and attention to these important discussions. And I'm just going to mention that the engagement in the chat has been absolutely superb. It is moving and inspiring to me as a presenter and a researcher to see this level of engagement.
Oh,